everyone, and welcome to another Stay Healthy and Waste Less class. My name is Monica and I'm a program manager with Leah's Pantry. We partnered with Fresh Approach to post new virtual classes every week, thanks to the support of the San Mateo County Office of Sustainability. We've been mailing Veggie RX vouchers to San Mateo County residents who watch our classes, but are now including everyone. The first 20 people to view each new video and complete a brief survey will receive $6 in vouchers to buy fresh fruits and vegetables at local farmers markets. The vouchers can be redeemed at markets throughout many counties, including San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Clara, Alameda, Contra Costa, and Solano. Those receiving vouchers will also be sent a booklet that lists all the farmers markets where vouchers can be redeemed. All right, let's get started. Today's theme is food storage in the pantry, fridge, and freezer. Throughout this video, I'll give you some tips for storing your food so they last longer. My first tip is to make sure you store your open packages of dried ingredients in clean and well-sealed containers. Whole grains like brown rice last longer this way. Today I'll be making an easy and tasty tuna pasta marinara from eatfresh.org. It uses a variety of pantry staples as the main ingredients. This recipe calls for canned tuna, canned tomato sauce, olives, pasta, as well as optional fresh ingredients, parsley and lemon zest. So when you buy canned and shelf-stable foods like these, as well as refrigerated and frozen food, remember to put the new packages in the back so that you can use the older items first. Also, don't worry if your packaged items are past their code date. Canned tuna and canned tomato sauce and pasta are still good to eat for up to 2 to 3 years after the date printed on the packaging. This dish is so simple that you can prepare it in less than the amount of time it takes to cook the pasta. Here you can see I have my pasta cooking, and in another pot I have 1½ cups of spaghetti sauce, 1 small can of tuna that's been drained. You can use tuna packed in oil or in water, and then 2 tablespoons of diced olives. I love olives, so I put more than that. You can use black or green olives. If you don't use all of your olives, you can keep the remainder in the liquid and put in your fridge, and they will last for up to 2 weeks. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon dried oregano. You can also use basil or any other seasoning that you have. Now I'm just going to heat these up in a pot, or you can also put it in the microwave. I'm going to show you how to save your parsley after you've used it for a recipe like this. Take my parsley, any other fresh herb, and I roll it up in a damp paper towel. Just damp enough. Put it in a plastic bag. I leave the plastic bag open so there's a little bit of air, but it lasts for a really long time, just like that. So I'm also going to show you how to zest the lemon. The zest of the lemon is the outer yellow part of this lemon, and it adds a lot of wonderful flavor. But the trick is to not get the white part that's underneath. So you can use a grater like this to gently scrape it off, lightly pulling it across. Or you can take a peeler, take light strips of it off, stack the strips together, chop it up really small. Both work well and both add delicious flavor to this dish. After I've zested my lemon, I put it in a Ziploc bag and keep it sealed until the next time when I need some lemon juice. Marinara sauce is warmed up, and I'm going to add the zest of that 1 lemon plus some fresh chopped parsley to finish it off. Time to take a taste. Really delicious. If you have leftovers, be sure to cool them down and store in a well-sealed container in your refrigerator for 4 to 6 days. You can also freeze the sauce, but make sure that you put it in a container that does not have a lot of air, or else you'll get freezer burn. The freezer-safe bags also work well to store leftovers in the freezer because you can squeeze the air out and then stack the bags flat to save space. Your tuna pasta marinara will last about 3 months in the freezer. It also helps to label and date your leftovers so you know what's in it and how long it's been there, so you'll be reminded to eat it. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to fill out our online form to receive your Veggie RX voucher. Stay healthy and waste less, everyone.